Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So for today, I will make a tutorial using Too Faced Sweet Peach collection, and here is what I have. The first one, this is Too Faced Sweet Peach eyeshadow palette, and the second one is Too Faced Sweet Peach glow palette. Last but definitely not the least, it's Too Faced Creamy Peach Oil Lip Gloss. So without any further ado, let's start the tutorial. First, I will start with eyeshadow palette, but before that, I will use concealer, and this is from Wardah. I will apply this all over my eyelid. To set the concealer, I will use white peach. Next, I will use Georgia. Let's take this Sambrium. Next, I will be using Candied Peach to blend the colors. Next, I will be using the darker color. This is Detectable. I'm using a smaller brush. This is from Lamika. Let's focus with outer corner. Next step, let's make a half cut crease. I will fill up my crease with these shades Bellini. I will just use my finger to apply this. Let's blend in with Candied Peach. I'll take Sambrium for the lower lash line. Last step for the eye, I will use Luscious. Next, I will be using Absolute New York eyeliner. Let's use a bit of concealer to clean. Next, I will be using Maybelline the Magnum Big Shot. So the eye look is done. Next, I will be using this palette to finish my makeup. Let's start a little bit contouring using this bronzer. Next, I will bronze my face using this Lamika brush. Next, I will be using the blush. Next, let's use the highlighter. I will also use the highlighter for brow bone. let's use Creamy Peach Oil Lip Gloss. This is shade Peach Please. So this is it. This is the final look. What I love about this eyeshadow palette is it has so many colors. Like the selection colors, you can definitely use this for natural looks or dramatic looks. For me, this is one of the best eyeshadow palette because the pigmentation is really good. As for this glow palette, I can't have mixed feeling for this one. I personally think that the pigmentation is not that good. I mean, I have to build this up. I have to apply this for so many times, then the color will pop up. Next, this is the creamy lip gloss. I really like it because it's not sticky at all. It feels comfortable to wear and it's quite long wear. That's why I really love this one. And as you can see, the color is really good. So I really like it. I guess that's all tutorial and a little bit review for Too Faced Sweet Peach collection. I would like to say thank you for everyone who's watching this video and hopefully we'll see you again next time. Bye bye!